So good day guys, let's design a simple business flyer using the PixelLab. So I will go to my size and then I'll make the size to be 1024 by the height. Yes, for this I will choose a background color which I did already, gradient color. Here is the code. So you can actually impute the code if you want to replicate as I did. So sorry, I'm using this, not the other one. So here is the code. Here is the code. So now what I will do is I will go to my gallery and then import something that I've already worked on. So I already fed this using PSCC. So if you don't know how to use PSCC, I'll drop a link on the description menu so that you can actually go and learn it. So here is it. I will just place it around this axis. Yeah, this is perfect. So I will go to gallery again and import something. Where is this guy? Yeah, here is it. I will just put it around this axis, although this one I will have to reduce the size a little bit. Hey, sorry. Yeah, here we go. So I will copy the image again, and then what I will do is I will go to 3D and then go to 3D and then make this one on the x-axis to be like this, and I will drag it to the downside, and then what I will do is I will reduce the opacity. Yep, so this look like a shadow. Yeah, here we go. So I will go to text again and I'll write blissful, and I will just put it around this axis. That's the name of the brand. So for this I will go with this color. Let me just go with this color. So for the font size, font type, I will put this as a font type. Yeah, here we go. So I will just put it around this axis. Blissful, sorry. Let me check if I can change another font type. Let me just put this one. Yeah, this one look always on here. Yep, I'll go with this. So I will go to here and then write collection. So for this one I will make it to be black. And then for the font type I will go with this. So I will just increase the size a little bit. Then let me go to fading. Yeah. So what I will do now is I will go to a shadow. Let me make it a black. No, let me make it a white shadow. Yeah, this is it. So I will create some shape here. Create a kind of shape here. I will copy it and then create another shape. Yeah. So here we go. So I will work on the aligning here. Yeah, this is good. So I'll go to text again, then write the tag. So for this, I will make it to be black, and I will go to font here and then choose neutral regular for this. Let me reduce the size and put it around this axis. Yeah, here we go. So I'll go to texture and then texture these things with some pictures. Let's see this. Make it 1:1 ratio. So I will just texture it like this, and I'll increase the scaling. So I will go to stroke and then stroke it with this color and increase the stroke to 3. Then for this one too, I will do the same. Let's say for this one, I will put this 1:1 ratio. And I'll just, yeah. And then for the stroke, I will also do the same, 3. Yeah. So I will do it for the 4. So you can actually see I did it for the 4. So I will go to text here, and I will paste a text here. The services there and that. So for this, I will go to color and then put a black color. Yeah. And then for the font size, I will go to here and then choose neutral regular. So let me just fix it to this axis. Yeah. So I will go to text and then write our service. Make them uppercase letters. So I will go to fonts and then choose this neutral regular, and I will choose a color like this, then reduce the size. So let me underline this. Go to style and then click on this U underline, yeah, and then underline your thing. So the line is actually not showing up, but you can leave it like that. So now what remains is I will create a shape. Yeah, in this shape I will just increase the radius and decrease the radius. Yeah? Yeah, and then I will choose the color to be, let me see this, and I will make it to be here. Yeah, so on this I will reduce the size a little bit, and I'll go to stroke it a little bit with white, and then I will go to shadow, then make it, go to shadow and enable the shadow a little bit below. The shadow is looking somehow, let me just leave it. So what will happen now is I will just increase, yeah, this look perfect. So I will go to my gallery and then import the icon. So I have already imported the icon, so I'll go to my text here and then write the WhatsApp and then the main number. So here's the WhatsApp number, so I'll just add +2 3 4, and just leave it like that. And then I will go to color, I'll choose black, and then for the font style. Let me see whether I can choose neutral regular. Neutral regular will fit. Let me choose this. So I will just reduce the size. Yeah, and then I will put it to here. Increase the spacing. So here is it. So here is just how to, design your business flyer using PixelLab. So let me save my work here as Ultra. So what we are going to do is we are going to go to PicsArt and do something. So here's my PicsArt. So here is the interface of my PicsArt. I will just come here to this plus icon. Then I will click on the first one. Sorry. So this will direct me to my gallery. I will click on the image that we just created, which is this, the design that we just created. So I will go here to here, add photo. So I will go and locate my texture. Which one should I use for texture? So I'm going to use, where's my download? Let me use this first. I'll increase the size and I'll reduce the opacity, and I will go to blend, click on screen. Let me go with overlay. So for this I will click on the eraser. I'm going to erase some parts. Yep, let me just erase some parts. Yeah, I will click on done. Yeah, so I will go to add photo again. I will add another photo, not photo, like a texture. So for now I'm going to use this. Let me create art, increase the size like this, and I will just reduce the opacity a little bit. Let me say 50. Yeah, and then I'll go to blend. I'll go with overlay. Yeah, you can actually see. So I'm going to erase some parts here. I'll click on this eraser here at the top. Sorry. So I'll click on the eraser here, and then eraser here. Just increase the size of the eraser to like 47. Then I'll just tap on the side that I don't want the thing to have here. Yeah, you can actually see. Yeah, it's good. So we are good to go. I will just, sorry, let me increase the size. Yeah, so we are just done with this here. I'll create on save. It's actually 7. So now what I will do is I will go to Snapseed. I will click on the plus icon. Then I will import the thing that we just work on. So I will just go to this pop, so you can actually see how the design looks. So if you like, you can put it at this, so it depends on which one you want to choose here. For me, I usually choose this pop, but you can actually choose this also. Let me choose this. So here is just, I will click on export here. Here is just how to design your professional business flyer using PixelLab, PicsArt, and then Snapseed. Thank you very much for your time. See you on the next tutorial. Thank you.